actually. This is my 2024. I think it's from my memory is so bad. Okay. I think that's from 2023. What can I do? Let's recreate this. I mean, like, I know I recreated it earlier, but we're going to recreate again. But it's still like this, okay? I'm going to show you the final result. Let's fix that. Chromie. If you guys want to check the back, here it is. This is the front. Yeah, it says here melody, but I lost the melody. And then this. Okay, this is how you do it. I lost that tree, the melody, and the one. I don't think that one dog. And then Cinnamoroll. I don't know what that dog is, but I just call it a dog. Right? Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Oh, let me just fix this nicely. Of course. Okay, you know what? Let's just be Tagalog. I don't like being English. English is so literal hard. Actually, it isn't. It's just too hard to translate. Okay. So, ayusin na din natin to. Kakaayos ko lang to kanina, madumi na siya agad. Anong madumi? Makalat na siya. Kasi pag tinakpan mo na siya. Ano siya. Okay, so here is the final reveal. Okay, iyan na. Ayan yung... Ito muna yung first. Start up muna tayo sa first. Sophia the first. I was a girl in a village. Okay. Sarado natin tong dalawa. Ay. Wag na pala. Nag-aano siya. Lang. Ayusin ko na naman talay. Okay. Let's put this freaking mirror here. Okay. Doing it. Itong sama. Huwag na pala natin i-close. Lalaglag kasi siya. Okay, so here is the first one. Sophia the first. Ayan, ang cute niya. Tapos, ito naman yung second. Kita niyo na ba? Hindi. Bulag tayo. Ito naman yung last, yung lamesa. Wala yung bathroom. Tamad ata sila maglagay ng bathroom. Ayan yung sa likod niya. Hindi nakita niyo. Wala ko yung blanket na ganyan. Tapos nawala ko din tong cup. Nawala ko. Yung dress na yan para kay Kurumi. Tapos yung tatlong cups na yan. Tapos yung tatlo na yan, si Melody, yung aso, tapos yung Cinnamoroll. Nawala ko yun. Si Kurumi lang yung yarn. Ito naman yung front. Yan. Oh my God, nang! Yarn. Cute ni Melody. As in talagang cute. Okay, so ito naman yung pagpasok mo. Mayroon kang makikita na Melody dyan kasi My Melody. Oh. Ting, ting, ring, 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 ting, 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 ting. Okay, bye. Ay. Joke lang. I'll give you a turn off. Naiwan! Nalaglag ata siya sa bedroom. Na naman kung bedroom to eh. Pajama. Ayan siya. Cute. Gonna die. Off. Joke lang. Imi. Here's a tour of our tapos bakit? Yan. Yung multiplication ko. Sorry pag malikot yung camera. Hindi ko kaya ng camera. Ito naman yung palagi gusto pumunta dito. Minsan doon, ngayon always dito. Ayan, this is the scariest room. May mga ipis kasi. Ayan, oo. May mga ipis dyan. Promise. Not joking. Ito naman yung stairs manuang na mag-elevator ka. Ayan. Mga gamit dyan. Ayan pusa namin. Nabotong camera natin. Mimi! Okay, kumain ka na doon. Baka mamaya may mga balahibo na yung baka mamaya may balahibo na yung cellphone ko. Mimi. Okay, inom muna ka tubig. Dala ko na lang kaya yung tubig. Joke lang. Galit si mami sa akin. Ano ay? Go! Habulin niya na naman ako. Yes, okay. Knock. Who's there? Your mom? Lang tayo. Talaga. Oo.